Welcome back. So I have part 2 of tomorrow's flash sale. Just wanted to show the official coupon. So it's 1-day flash sale, $2.19 tomorrow, 20% off all Predator, and we do have the fine print here in store only while supplies last. I don't think it's changed much since the video I made yesterday, but we'll read through it. There's the coupon code that you can use. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Offer valid for on all. That feels like a typo. Offer valid for/on or for all Predator gas generators. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Valid 2/19/25 only. This little wording changes here and there on the coupons. But anyways, pretty clear. All gas generators can't be combined with any other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. And then other restrictions open. So what I want to look at, we looked at a few yesterday. How about the percentages off? But today I'm going to look at a couple that I'm kind of looking at, and I like these because they include a battery. So the first one here is the Predator 8750 watt open frame inverter generator with CO secure technology EPA. It's $1199.99, and kind of scroll down here. I'll read this through. So this is starting watt, 7,000 max. Open frame inverter generator uses built-in inverter technology to produce clean power, ideal for sensitive electronics, which is huge. The efficient design with electronic speed control mode, ESC mode, optimizes engine performance, maximizes runtime, saves fuel, providing over 15 hours of runtime, which is huge, per fill-up, quieter than conventional generators. The inverter generator is ideal for job sites, home backup, which is what I'm looking for, and emergency use. Includes large 10-inch flat free wheels and folding handle for maximum portability. So pure sine wave technology, safely powers sensitive electronics such as smartphones, laptops, and TVs, and I imagine Wi-Fi routers, modems, things like that. CO secure technology automatically shuts down the generator for safety when harmful levels of carbon monoxide are detected. Okay, perfect. Ultra powerful Predator 420cc engine, of course. Electric start with battery included, makes startup easy every time. Runtime 15 hours at 25%. It includes, well, we'll kind of look at the highlights here. Powerful electronic start, extra long, pure sine wave inverter. So we have the CO secure technology, electronic speed control, electric start with battery, fuel gauge, 12 volt, 8 amp DC outlet, and USB-A charging ports, integrated digital display, outlet covers, electronic overload protection and reset, and circuit breakers to help prevent accidental overload. Again, safety for sensitive electronics. So, and here are the type of outlets that are provided. Ideal use, emergency, home, job site, food. So basically all the major things that you need. And here's an example of what it'll run. Air conditioners, heating systems, your refrigerator, which is probably the biggest one, at least that I'm considering, be refrigerator so food doesn't spoil, and sensitive electronics so we can keep going through our internet, kitchen appliances. So literally everything that I would need to cover. So anyways, at $11.99, you're getting this for 20% off, and you're getting it for $959.99. So you're saving $239.99. So almost $240 that you're saving. That makes sense. 120 is 10%, 240, 20%. So 240, keep that number in your head, $240 that you're saving. Now we're going to look up the price history on this generator. Now, this came out roughly in May of 2021. So it's been a few years that it's been out, and the lowest that it's gone, it looks like there has been multiple coupons, not too many in the year 2024. There was only 3 in 2024, which is interesting, but a few before that. The lowest it's been is $1,099. So $1,100, essentially a saving of $100. So you're getting this for $240 off. So even according to the price tracker with the 20% off, this specific generator hasn't gone below $1,100. So this is a really good deal to get this generator with a 20% discount. Now, the other one I want to look at is this Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology, EPA, $799.99. Let's go over it first. So this one is obviously smaller, does have the wheels, and we'll go over the product to see what it's good for. So this is super quiet, 3500 max, starting watt, 3000 max, running watt inverter generator, uses reliable 212cc engine to deliver clean, efficient power when it's needed most. Closed frame inverter generator delivers runtime of over 11 hours, which is still really good. 11 hours compared to the 15 hours, still really good. Designed for efficiency. This inverter generator is built with electronic speed control to optimize engine performance, maximize runtime, and lower fuel consumption. Rated at 56 decibels. This inverter generator delivers plenty of power while operating at the same volume as a quiet conversation, which is insane. The lightweight compact design is for RVs, ideal for RVs and other applications. Smooth rolling wheels provide effortless portability, comes with an RV adapter. So it has longer runtime, over 11 hours, powerful engine for RV and other applications, pure sine wave, again, to power smart electronics, sensitive electronics, such as smartphones, laptops, TVs, electric start, super quiet is a huge feature, huge plus in this one. Surprised it can still provide 11 hours of runtime, 4-wheel system for easy portability. It includes 12 volt 520R outlets and 120 volt L530R twist lock outlet and 112 volt DC. Then looking at the product highlights, how we see it compared to the Honda, super quiet, powerful, electric start, extra long runtime. In this case, if you're just looking to run a few smaller things, this would be a decent option. Again, battery included in this one, electronic overload, ESC, electric start, code secure, CO secure technology, connect 2 generators for double the power. So it has a parallel design, copper winding for longer life, and it's a super quiet enclosure. And here's the power outlets. Ideal, actually it does say it's ideal uses for RV, emergency, home, camping, and tailgating. And it can power most of the same things. So a mini fridge does say it can power this 1600 watt and this 1500 watt grill. So maybe if you're doing just one fridge, and in our case, it would be internet and TV, it could be enough. That being said, $799.99 is the price, and at 20% off, you're getting it for $639.99 minus the $799.99. You're getting it for $160 off, but for $639, $640 essentially. Now, this one, unlike the 8750 watt, there has been sales for this, and pretty recently as well, throughout 2024. So this came out April 2022. It was at the price of $900, which is pretty steep. So it's good to see that price has come down. It's down to $800. It was at one point retail wise back in June of last year, down to $629. Where did my calculator go? So this one gets it to you for $640. So it's been below the $640 a few times, and there was a coupon for it on Black Friday and during Christmas, all the way down to $600. So whoosh, of course, we went over it yesterday. This one is on sale for $599 at the March parking lot sale. So unless you absolutely need it for 20% off, prices are similar. I mean, you're gonna save a good penny still, but if you can wait for the parking lot sale, you'll get it for $600 off. Whoosh. But yeah, I'll leave it at that. Is anybody going to get a generator? Make sure you check out the price tracker just to make sure you're making a wise choice. Use your 20% off wisely. Let me know if you are looking at one. And happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.